Good morning, students. Welcome to Vidyut Vidyalaya. I am 385. Thakkar. I am taking your maths throughout this year in 11th science. Okay. Now, today we will start with the first chapter, first lesson, and our first class, that is set. The chapter name is set operation. Now, what do you mean by set? First of all, we will discuss the set. Actually, in so many books it is written as set is no proper definition, but we can define set as set is a well defined collection of data, or you can say objects. Data in the sense of it may be number, it may be names, like that. Okay. Now, elements of the sets are written in this curly bracket. Okay, curly bracket. First example, I will write one example for the set. For example, my question is set of first 5 natural number. Then we can write 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. There are two ways to represent the set. The first method is, I will write that two methods. First method is roster form, or you can say listing method. And the second one is set builder form, or in other word it is property method. What is the major difference between these two representation? Now, the major difference in both the method is, I will connect with the first example again. See the first example. As I said, set of first 5 natural numbers. Then we can represent this answer by two methods. The first one, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And the second method is all x such that x belongs to n, x less than 6. Now, it is clearly seen that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are just like a list. So it is in the form of roster form, or you can say listing method. But here no number is mentioned, but we can represent this in the form of a property method. Here the property is x means a number such that x belongs to natural number and x smaller than 6. We know that in natural number the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and dash 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 dash. But if I said number smaller than 6 means 6 are not considered, and smaller than 6 means 1 to 5 are there. So meaning of the same representation of the set is gives the same answer, same element of the set. So there are total two methods. The first one is roster form, or in other word it is listing method. We can list out the elements. And the second is set builder form, or you can say a common property you can observe from the set and then you can write. For example, I will write another question. See, I will write one simple question. Question number 1, which is not from the textbook, from my side. The question is, in curly bracket I wrote 1. We can say that this 1 is in the form of listing method. And my question is write the same answer in property form. Now you can represent this as x such that x belongs to n, comma x square minus 1 equal to 0. If I will simplify this, definitely you know very well there are two factors, x minus 1, x plus 1, and the result is x is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 1. But under my condition, x belongs to n. So we will consider only 1. We will not consider minus 1 as minus 1 belongs to z. Right? It is integer, not a natural number. So the answer of this x square minus 1 equal to 0, x belongs to n is also 1. Another way to write the same answer is first natural number, second multiplicative identity. Okay, see, these are the different answer for the set 1. So what we can conclude from these answers? If I will list out the answer of this set, then it is 1. If I will list out the answer of this set, then it is 1. If I will list out the answer of this, then also it is 1. So what we can conclude after this? We can conclude that in listing method, answers are unique, but in set builder form or in property method, for the same question, there are different answers. If my question is listing method answer is 1, write in the property form or set builder form, you can write this, or you can write this, or you can write this. I will give you the full marks because the answer of these 3 also 1. So what we can conclude? In listing method, answer is unique, but in set builder form, there are different possibility to represent the answer. Now we will start with the first question of the textbook. Exercise 1.1. Question number 1. See, in this textbook, the first question is, which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. Now the first question is, the collection of all the month of a year begin with the letter J. We know that if I wish to write the answer of this question, which is begin with the J, then we know that the first month, that is January, then second is June, July. If I will ask the same question to any person, they all write the same answer. Now, second question. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. See, the first one is considered as a set, but second is not considered as a set. Why? Because the question is the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. If I will ask this question to particular person, then maybe the answers are varies. I will give you a different question, similar type of question. This is not from the textbook. If I will ask to Mr. X, tell me your 5 favorite movie. If he belong to Gujarat, his or her might be the favorite movie are Gujarati movie or Hindi movie. But if I will ask the same question to another person who belong to America or Russia, then he never said any Gujarati movie name or might be a Hindi movie name. Okay, so their movies are different. So this answer is also the collection of 10 most talented writer of India are also varies like that. Is this clear? So the title is which of the following are set and justify your answer. So in general, what we can say, which are the sets? The answer of the question is unique. Means if I will ask to any person in India or in USA or in China or Russia, they all say that the month start with letter J is January, June and July. But the second question, most talented 10 writer in India, then it varies from person to person. Okay. This way you have to solve the remaining questions. We will just discuss the question. The third question is a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. See, again the same question. The best cricketer batsmen of the world are varies from person to person. So this third question is also not a set. Now fourth question, collection of all the boys in your class. In your class means suppose I am studying in 11 science in Vidyut Vidyalaya. Then if I will list out the element, then suppose there are 50 students. If my next person which is seated with me, he also list out the element, then they also write the same 50 name. Okay, so these answers are always unique. That's why the answer is this data is a set. Fifth one, the collection of all natural number less than 100. So everyone write 1 to 99. Then sixth one, a collection of novel written by the writer Munshi Premchand. Okay, there is a difference between second question and this sixth question. In second question, the collection of 10 most talented writer of India, then definitely it varies from person to person. But here in sixth question, the collection of novel written by the writer Munshi Premchand. Obviously here name is mentioned, Munshi Premchand. So whenever we list out the novel's name, obviously we will consider the writer is Munshi Premchand. So we will list out the same books which is written by the novel by writer Munshi Premchand. Now seventh question, the collection of all even integers. See, even integers means we know that plus minus 2, plus minus 4, plus minus 6 and so on, so on, so on, including 0. Okay, everyone write the same answer. Now eighth question, the collection of questions in this chapter. Okay, we know that in first chapter some exercises are given, some questions are also fixed. That is, question 1 contain 9 sub question, 2 contain 6 sub question, and so on, so on, so on. We can list out, or anybody will list out from this book. They are always same. The last question of main question 1 is the collection of most dangerous animal of the world. See, according to this question, the most dangerous animal of the world is varies from person to person. Okay, some person are afraid from the lizard, some person are afraid from the dog. Okay, so it is varies from person to person. So the last answer is also not a set. So in general, second question, third question and the ninth question is not a set. Is this clear? Thank you, students.